As the last traces of winter fade from my garden, a small miracle begins to unfold. Cloaked in a protective coat of silver-grey fur, the pasque flower, Pulsatilla vulgaris, emerges from the thawing earth. In the gardening world, this plant is a true connoisseur's choice. Its name, derived from the old French Pasque for Easter, perfectly captures the timing of its dramatic arrival in my flower beds. While many associate it with wild limestone slopes, it is, in fact, one of the most enchanting and resilient treasures you can welcome into a private sanctuary. Observe the delicate architecture of the bud. Before the flower even opens, it is covered in fine silken hairs, a botanical fleece designed to trap heat and protect the plant from late spring frosts. When the sun touches them, the petals unfurl into ethereal creamy whites, as seen here in my garden today. At the heart of each bell-shaped bloom lies a sunburst of golden yellow stamens. They don't just sit there, they track the sun across the sky. A phenomenon known as heliotropism, ensuring every bit of warmth is captured to nurture the developing seeds within. If you're looking to bring a touch of this wild elegance to your own garden, here's how to grow the perfect pasque flower. First, these beauties crave a sunny, open position. They thrive in well-drained, gritty soil, ideally alkaline or neutral. It is best to plant them in early autumn or spring. Be mindful, however, they dislike being moved once established, as they have deep, woody taproots. It is vital to choose their forever home carefully from the start. In terms of care, they are incredibly hardy. There's no need for heavy feeding, just a bit of organic mulch in the winter will do. But remember the golden rule, avoid waterlogging at all costs. They love a good soak during the growing season, but their feet must never stay wet, as the crown is prone to rot in soggy conditions. The magic of the pasque flower doesn't end when the petals fall. In fact, for many, the second act is even more enchanting. As the vibrant colours fade, the flower stems begin to stretch upwards, reaching for the light. The once contained centre transforms into a spectacular, feathery seed head. These are the silken seeds, long plumose styles that catch the breeze. Against a clear blue sky, they look like captured smoke or tiny shimmering stars. This is nature's engineering at its finest. Each feather acts as a sail, waiting for a gust of wind to carry the next generation to a new home. Simply let the seeds ripen naturally and sow them while they are fresh for the best results next season. Thank you for joining me in the garden today to witness the journey of the pasque flower.